Hey everyone, welcome to another live stream. Today we are going to continue trading US30 and gold. Let's go ahead and do some analysis. We'll go and check out the daily real quick. So on the daily, what we see is that price has been pretty bullish since yesterday. Today we already did get a retracement with a nice push to the upside. And price is respecting bullish order flow. As you can see, we haven't really broken any lows whatsoever, and we are very, very close to taking out all-time highs. Now, what we see here is a classic rejection from the order block that created that all-time high. This is going to be used as a reaction point before price can continue up. So what we're looking for right now is we are expecting that this is sold off. Once again, the 4-hour candle did just open up. This is what the 1 hour looks like it is going to close as. And so we don't want to enter in just yet because it's too much momentum to the downside. But let's just see. I mean, we are liking right now that all of this liquidity is being swept because overall we are bullish. We have gotten the confirmation that we are looking for buys. Now we're really just waiting for something to give us a hint that we're ready to start selling, to start going right back up. On US30, what we see is on the daily we have been actually consolidating over the last 3 days. We ended up breaking last Friday's low. Ever since then, we've been creating higher lows, but we also haven't been able to create higher highs. So it's really just been consolidating. We can see that there's this trend line sitting right here. Overall, we are bullish, so this will be respected. What I like right here is we got a nice liquidity sweep right there. And then we broke pretty bullish. So going down to the 2-minute, yeah, I mean, if we see another 2-minute break of structure right here, I'm interested in getting into buys. But currently, I'm going to wait for this to play out. At least this 15-minute. This is, we still have about, how long do we have left? We have about, 15 minutes left in this 4-hour candle. So I actually do not want to enter until after we get a closure of this one. So looking at the 5-minute, we are pretty bullish. And we can go ahead and get into a trade as well right here. But what I don't like is we didn't break structure right there. So price could just reverse and fall right back down. So not going to rush into this one. Yeah, I mean, if this ends up being respected, we can look to continue bullish. So let's see how this 2-minute closes. And let's go check out the line chart. The line chart still has not actually taken out these lows that are right here, which it may not, because you can see that what price did is it ended up taking, are these equals? Yeah, those are equals. Yeah, I probably do want price to come right back down. Ideally, if price was to push down like right here and then we see the push up, that is ideal for me, I think. US30, sorry, gold, we are seeing a nice bearish move. Now, what would indicate that we have started to sell off, right? Let's go ahead and mark through that. So we are bullish up until we break this area right here. What do we see? What do we see? No, I think price can fall off a little bit more. Let's see. This could very well be the area that price pushes off from. However, we need to see some type of confirmation where price actually gives us a bullish candle and then reverses, and then let's just see how it behaves, right? But yeah, I mean, this is an area where I would be interested in getting into a buy from. Let's go to the 15-minute. If we were to go ahead and just enter right here, stops down. Let's see. Maybe let's go to the 5-minute. Yeah, let's say we respect this. Let's say our entry is like down here. I mean, once again, we haven't got any reason to buy in just yet, so we're gonna hold off a little bit. I mean, I just feel like this is a buy right here, though. Let's see. This is a 5-minute candle. Let's see. So we haven't actually respected this just yet. It looks like we're continuing to the downside. US30 is looking to. All right. Is this the push up that we were waiting for? Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty bullish to me. Stops. I mean, limit is probably like down right there. Five-minute has about 30 seconds left. US30 is pushing bearish. Let's see if we get a nice push down. यार ठंडी है यार, तैयार हो गया
पैंट शॉर्ट लग रही है बहुत, कपड़े अंदर जगह है तो मैं भी
All right, chat. We have gotten into this trade a little bit risky and a little bit early, but what do I like over here is that we have actually taken liquidity of all of these trades, all of these lows at the bottom right here. See, I mean, ideally this would have continued up. We'll see if it respects this right here. If this is respected, then we are golden. If it's not respected, then price is probably going to come and take out this area. About 5 seconds left. When you see push up right here, so that doesn't really mean anything so far. But yeah, let's go back and let's do like a quick look at the daily. Daily is extremely bearish. We see that price shot right down on the 15-minute. We see price ended up taking liquidity from all of these lows right here. And that's great. That indicates to me that we are ready to push right back up. However, we need to see some type of confluence, right? So what I liked over here is I liked how on this 5-minute we ended up pushing down, and then we had this nice bullish candle. And from here, what gave me my confirmation was this push up right here. Now, usually I like to wait for at least 2 breaks of structures. So that's not really 2 breaks of structures. That what we would need to see is we need to see 1 and then 2 push up right above here, and that's where we would enter and we would buy. So this is actually, once again, not my strategy. Gold is not giving us a reason to buy just yet. That's okay if it like pushes down like this. But even on gold, you guys see how it created a wick down. This seemed like, okay, cool, we're pushing right back up. Then it pushed right back down. Then it pushed right back up. So if we got a break above here, then to me that is confirmation that we are looking for buys. Same thing on US30. Really, I mean, I got my confirmation right here because price ended up pushing down. It's the exact same candlestick pattern, if you notice, and this happens after it takes liquidity. So this is a bit aggressive on US30 because it has not broken structure to the upside just yet. And on US30, or sorry, on gold, if we do get the same reaction where this ends up rejecting and then we push up from here, then I am interested in getting into buys, definitely. So let's see how price behaves. I mean, overall, we are bullish, right? So the odds are in our favor when it comes to the bullish bias. So 2-minute, let's see how this next 1 minute and 30 seconds close. But if we get a nice push up, then that is looking really good for us.